This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and immediately open the notification center. This is where Widgets live. Swipe left with 2 fingers or click the date/time in the menu bar to reveal Today view. Make sure you're signed into your Apple ID and that any apps whose widgets you want are installed. Widgets pull live data from their apps. Once done, you can tap Edit Widgets or Plus to begin adding. Acting now saves time later and prevents missing features. Next, add and tailor widgets to your workflow. Tap the plus to open the gallery and search by app or category. Sizes matter: small for compact info, medium for glanceable content, large for richer controls. Drag widgets into the Today view or directly onto your desktop if supported. Hold Option while dragging to copy a widget to multiple spaces. Once placed, click or right-click the widget to access settings so it shows the data and refresh rate you need. Finish by arranging widgets for clarity and efficiency. Drag to reorder and snap them to a tidy grid so your eyes track easily. Make final adjustments to widget sizes and input accounts or locations where required. If a widget won't appear or update, quit and relaunch the app, reinstall it, then restart macOS. Also verify widget permissions in system settings. One key tip: toggling the widget off and on often forces a refresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.